In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get Abominable here in Forza Horizon 6. This is going to be the ultimate guide on how to find a snow monster tree. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. So first things first, go ahead and pause your game, go to the world map, and you're going to want to make your way all the way up to like the very top of the map. This is literally the furthest up that you can go. Make your way up here. You can fast travel here or you can just drive up here depending on if you've already discovered it. And you want to go literally, like, if you zoom in, there's like 3 little lines over there, or like those blue lines. Go to that specific location. Once you're here, you need to find like these specific snow covered trees right here. Essentially just run into all of them. You need to keep running into them and destroying them. They are covered in snow, so they are a little bit harder, but as you can see, we actually just got it right there. But keep running into them, and you can go all the way over here as well. Boom, 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 boom. As long as you keep doing this, you'll get it done pretty quickly. That's the full process, though. It really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.